Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to extract Noni juice. Noni is a superfood that contains over 170 vitamins, which is very good for our body. So please stay tuned, watch and see how I'm going to process this. So I'll be using freshly plucked Noni fruits. Some of them is already ripe. This one is already ripe. So I'll rinse it with water and salt to remove the germs from it. So after that, I will need to select the fruits. Then I'll put it inside a plastic container, a airtight container. So the container will make sure that air does not escape from it and air does not also enter. So we allow it to ferment for like 2 weeks. I'm using this transparent plastic because I'll be documenting the process so that we'll watch how it goes, how it changes. So this is how it is now. So we'll be leaving it for 2 weeks to allow it to ferment. This is day 6. You can see that it's already fermenting and some juice are already coming out. So it's not yet ready for us to harvest it. We'll still wait again. Yeah, so this is 2 weeks later. You can see that it is quite different. You can see the juice, so it is ready for us to harvest it now.
So it's time for us to harvest the Noni juice. As you can see that the juice is ready enough to be harvested. So I have my cheese cloth here I've been using, and I have my pots. So I'll transfer everything inside this pot. So as you can see, it has some juice already. So first thing I will do now is I want to transfer some juice here because I'll be needing this. I want to use this as a face toner because I like this particular one for my face. So pour the water here. So first thing we do is, you can see is very soft, very soft. I've actually washed my hand before starting. So I'll double my cheese cloth. Okay, then so let me do this way so that it will not. So I'm transferring it there. You can see that the juice are coming out already. You have to press it very well to make sure everything is out. Make sure you extract all the juice. You have to get everything out. So Noni juice is very healthy. It boosts immunity, it rejuvenates the cells, it promotes hair growth, healthy skin. Yes, I actually allow this one to ferment for 2 weeks. Depending on what choice, can allow it to ferment for a month. Yeah, a month is still okay. It won't spoil in as much as you don't allow air to enter inside. So that's why I need to put it inside airtight container make sure the cover is very tight so that hair will not enter and hair will not also escape. So that way the noni will be there. It won't spoil. You can even stay there for 2 months. Nothing will happen to it. So I'm adding this one here. So this is the juice we got. Okay, so I will show you. I'll give you the juice we got.
So this is the juice that is extracted away. You can see the noni juice now. So I will steam it for a few minutes on the stove for 5 minutes so that it will enable the shelf life to stay for a longer period. So allow it to cool down before transferring it into a breakable bottle. It's better to transfer it into a breakable bottle because it is more hygienic than plastic bottle, and it will also increase the shelf life. So noni has a lot of benefits. It clears acne, it promotes hair growth, it cures dandruff, hair lice, it cures infection. It has so many benefits, lots of benefits. So children can take it, adults can also take it. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe.